HSE Officer, Inspector, daily routine and responsibilities. Morning duty starts before 7 a.m. Site entry checkpoint. Check personal protective equipment, PPE and conduct or attend the daily safety TAT with the supervisor. Toolbox Talk, TBT. Conduct or attend the daily safety talk. For example, today we are working near scaffolding, so ensure full body harness and tag inspection before climbing. Site inspection walk. Walk through the site with the foreman. Look for unsafe acts, electrical cable hazards, fire extinguisher locations, and blocked emergency exits. During work, midday, permit to work monitoring. Check work permits, work at height permits, hot work permits, and electrical isolation. Health and environment checks. Monitor heat stress, noise, dust, and housekeeping. Accident prevention. If small unsafe actions are noticed, stop work safely and explain. Like, brother, please fix your helmet strap properly for your safety, evening duty or end of shift. Site closing safety check. Make sure all equipment is powered off safely, storage is locked properly, and check barricades in dangerous zones. Report submission. Prepare your daily HSE report. Include number of workers, safety meeting topic, hazards found and actions taken, and any near miss or incident. Record keeping, file inspection checklists, incident reports, and safety observation cards.